In today's challenge, we are solving a common problem, summarizing messy data. Let's say you have a report showing costs for each person by category, but their names aren't in a proper column. Instead, they are placed above each section of data. How do we fix this? Simple, we need to organize the data before summarizing it. Look at the table. Names are above the data blocks, followed by category and costs. Before summarizing, we need to match each cost for the right person. Let's do that in Power Query. We will make a new conditional column to capture names. If the cost column is empty, take the value from the first column, which holds the names. Otherwise, leave it as it is. This will help structure the names correctly. Now we will ensure each cost has the right name. Select the new column and use the Fill Down option. Now each row has a name, making it easier to work with. Our data is much more structured now, so we can summarize it efficiently. Click on the Group By button in Power Query. In the Group By window, select the column containing names as the grouping field. In the Aggregation section, choose the Cost column and set it to sum up the values. This process groups all records by the person's name and calculates the total cost for each individual. If multiple cost entries exist for the same name, they will be combined into one summarized row. When dealing with messy reports, always remember, organize first, analyze later. And that's it. See you in the next one.